Hello guys, this is me, Abhishek Sarkar. Welcome back to my channel, and this is Techmaster, which gives information about technologies and some tips and tricks about how to earn money, especially dollars. So nowadays dollars are going rise in comparison to our Indian currency. It's 73.78 rupees per dollar, means $1 is equal to this amount. So I know everybody want to earn this amount. So today I've got two websites that are going to give you $200 per month if you work there genuinely without any hack. Okay, so these two websites are generally about URL shortener websites. If you don't know what is URL shortener website, URL shortener websites are those websites which are used to shorten long links. In the future video, in this video only, in this video you are going to be shown how long videos are shortened through the help of URL shortener, and how the companies pay you. There are different types of pay rates, different types of payouts, different types of withdrawal systems. Okay, check this video, it will be very beneficial for you. And these websites have no country restrictions. Every person from each and every country can work in these two websites. So guys, please check out the video, go ahead and like the video, share with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload videos like this, you will get instant notification from YouTube. Okay, please check the video. So guys, these are the two websites. One is clickfly.net and the other one is bitl.cc. As you can see the websites, these are the two websites I was talking about. So let's see how to sign up, what is the payment process, how you can earn over here. We will see the payment proof also over here. Okay, so as I've signed up over here, so I will be logging in and showing you the interface, how it looks, how you're going to earn from here. There is no country restrictions. You can work from anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world. So I'm going to log in. So this is the interface. Okay, this is the interface, and I'm going to show you the total number of views I have. I have signed up only 2 days ago over here. Only 2 days ago I have signed over here. So this is the total views, this is the total earnings, this is referral earnings, and this is average CPM. So I will be telling in very details what is all this. And see, they have compared to other URL websites over here. AdFly, you all know it, LinkShrink, OUI.shorty.st, Zere.gl, and clickfly.net. See their payouts. There's a chart giving on over here. Clickfly.net gives out about $4 their payment, and their minimum threshold amount is $1.5. After that you can check out your amount over here, and their referral commission is the highest, 55%. Okay, so this is the statistics. See, I have signed up only on 23rd, and today is 25th. I told you 2 days back I've signed up over here. Today I've got 8 views. This is all it. This is the interface. So now I'm going to tell you how you are going to earn from over here. So can you see here is written new shorten link. You have to click over here, and there will be a dashboard opened over here. See your URL here. So I'm going to any URL over here. Let's search from Google. I'm going to search Times of India. Okay, Times of India, and I'm going to shorten that link. So this is the website of Times of India. Okay, the page is loading. See, it has come over here, the Times of India page. Okay, now I'm going to copy this link, the Times of India link. See how long it is, the Times of India link, and I'm going to short it over here. I will do Ctrl+V. Okay, I'm going to paste it and shorten it. You will see the output. Okay, now you can see the output over here is much shorter. You have to copy over here, and most importantly, I get questions from my viewers, or rather subscribers, that where to share this shortened link. So guys, I'm going to tell you, you may use WhatsApp, Facebook, all social media networks to spread these links, and for every click you are going to get that threshold money, and you're going to get your payment over here. As much likes, as much clicks you will get more money. Remember guys, the threshold amount is $1.50. that is for 1,000 clicks you are going to get this amount. Okay, so you have to shorten this link over here, and you have to share it in your WhatsApp, Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups, Twitter, Instagram, everything. So this is the statistics, this is the managed links, this is all the links I've shortened over here. I'm going to show you all. This is the links I've shortened over here, and this is the hidden links. I have not hidden any links till now. I'm going to show you the withdrawal. Okay, you can withdraw here from PayPal, Bitcoin, Paytm, and there are much more options. I'm going to show you. There are referrals. Okay guys, this is the referral. If someone joins from your link, from this link, you're going to get 55 commission of their earning for lifetime. So guys, I will give my referral link over here. If you want to come to this website, you can use my referral link, or you can directly go to the website, and I will give the link in the description. You can sign up over there. And this is the main part, settings. After you have come over here by clicking on the link in the description that I will give in the near future, after that you will come to the settings and click profile. After clicking profile, you have to give your billing address, your first name, last name, your address, your city, your state, your zip code, your country, your phone number, valid phone number, not the fake one. And see the withdrawal method I have taken, Paytm. This is a very good website, genuine website. See, you can take in my wallet, you can take in Bitcoin, you can take in bank transfer, you can take in Paytm, Paytm Lifafa, Google Pays, and UPI. And this is the information that you have to give accordingly to your withdrawal method, and this is the threshold amount. See, for Paytm it's $1.50, and for Bitcoin it's $10, bank transfer is $50. You don't have to go for this one. If I will recommend guys to go for the Paytm one. Okay, so this is the website, and I think you will join over here and earn money. Okay, so I'm going to the next website. This is bitl.cc, as you can see over here. Since I've signed up over here, I'm going to show you again the process of signing up. Go click in the sign up. You have to give a username, your valid email, a password, and you have to re-enter the password, and you have to agree with the terms and privacy policy with the company, and you have to register over here. Okay, I'm going to log in now. See guys, the interface of every URL shortener website will be same, but the difference is about the CPM. See, the CPM of ClickFly is something like this, I think $2. Yes, see the CPM over here. This CPM means the amount you are going to get for every 1,000 clicks on your shortened link. Okay, so if you get 1,000 clicks on your link, you are going to get $2. And in bitl.cc, if anyone clicks on your link, you are going to get $3.1 for every 1,000 clicks. So I've joined over here a bit time ago. You can see over here I've joined on the 1st of October. I don't work here much, but whenever I work I get views. Okay, not that much like the ClickFly. I mainly work in ClickFly, not here. So I have taken out this website for you guys. Please see this video and please do subscribe and like this video so that I will be motivated and give you much more news, much more facts, much more tricks, much more earning websites like this in the near future. Okay, so please do it. I'm going to show you over this. It is same as ClickFly, so I'm going to run over it again. If you want to join over here also, bitl.cc, I will give the link in the description. You go and click on that link, you will land over this page. Okay, after signing up. After signing up, you have to go in your profile. You have to give your billing address same as the ClickFly. Here the withdrawal option is only two. You can take from PayPal or you can take from web money. Web money is a lot money, $5 the threshold amount. On PayPal is also the same, the threshold amount. See guys, only CPM and the threshold amount differs, except that everything is same. Okay, so this is the statistics, the graph, and this is the amount list. Okay, I'm going to show you the withdrawal amount. What is the threshold? Okay, see, it's $5. You have to make $5 or greater than $5. So guys, I'm going to end over here today only. So I hope you are going to look into these two websites and go and sign up and make money as I'm doing now, because guys, in today's days everyone wants to make money, and if you're making more money, you're going to watch my videos and like it and do subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys.